A spider disappears behind your bed. No web, no sound. Should you worry? In 4 minutes, identify 15 house spiders, learn why they entered, and know which ones demand caution. Most are unpaid pest control. Some are lost. 2 deserve space, and they are waiting at the end. Body shape, web style, and location solve the mystery faster than color alone. Count how many you recognize. Number 1 may already own a corner of your room. First, the common house spider, your ceiling's messy architect. It builds tangled webs where flies cross windows and corners. Dangerous? No. Dusty cobwebs are simply abandoned apartments. Cellar spiders look fragile, with legs built like wire. Harmless. The deadliest venom story is pure myth. Basements provide darkness, mosquitoes, and rent-free web space. This fast brown runner is the barn funnel weaver. Its flat web ends in a silk tunnel behind clutter. Harmless, and frequently framed as a brown recluse. A pale ceiling runner is likely a yellow sack spider. It hunts at night, then sleeps inside a silk pocket. Its bite can hurt, but rotting wound stories are unsupported. Tiny, dark triangles identify the triangulate cobweb spider. Its basement web catches ants, ticks, pillbugs, even spiders. Harmless to people, it sometimes catches actual brown recluses. This glossy round abdomen creates an instant black widow scare. A false widow is brown and lacks the red hourglass. Its bite may sting, but it is not medically dangerous. This slow, speckled spider hunts without building a web. It spits zigzag bands of sticky venom glue over prey. Moths lose the duel. Humans have nothing to fear. Red head, pale body, oversized fangs. The woodlouse hunter. Those tools pierce pillbugs, not unsuspecting sleeping humans. Damp basements attract its prey. Verified bites are minor. Big eyes and green jaws reveal the bold, jumping spider. It patrols sunny windows like a tiny 8-legged cat. Harmless, watchful, and hunting the flies near your glass. The zebra jumper is smaller, striped, and equally watchful. Windows provide warmth, light, and a buffet of gnats. One sighting means active pest control, not an infestation. A large brown spider sprints across the floor. Wolf spider. Rabid describes its speed. It cannot carry rabies. It wandered from the lawn, probably through a door gap. This hand-sized visitor is a dark fishing spider. It did not crawl from your drain or prove a leak. Woodland homes get wanderers. This shy giant prefers escape. The hobo spider still carries an outdated flesh-eating reputation. Current evidence does not support a medically dangerous bite. Western males enter basements while searching for mates in autumn. Reveal 1. The brown recluse can cause medically serious wounds. It mainly lives in America's South Central and Midwestern states. Shoes, boxes, and closets shelter it. Never identify by violin alone. Reveal 2. The adult female black widow deserves real caution. Look beneath. A red hourglass marks the glossy abdomen. Garages and woodpiles suit its web. Never handle one. Final score. 13 useful neighbors, 2 spiders requiring distance. Seal gaps, repair screens, reduce clutter, and remove insect prey. A mystery skin mark is not proof of a spider bite. Which spider lives near you? Post the number and country. Mystery solved? Like, share, and subscribe for practical nature guides.